Theme song. Theme song. Theme song. Theme song.
I'm gonna test certain when I turn the camera on to talk. I don't know why I felt the need to speak. I don't know why I even want to be heard at all. I don't know. I think I have this artist thing in me. Or just like, it doesn't matter if I have something to say, I just want to be heard, you know. I don't know why. It's completely irrational. And I don't use it very well. So, yeah. Oh, man. And ultimately, I'm pretty much just irrelevant, anyway. You know. I feel like my new intro opening thing. It's neat. Maybe a good reason not to do anything else. I'm sorry that I'm boring you. It seems like whenever I make a video and I intend to make it a vlog, I just make it boring. Yeah, I feel like my new intro opening thing, compilation, really sort of neat, I guess. But I already said that, I didn't already. I don't know, like, I've just been like, trying to get my life back together, you know? Yeah. That's it. Yeah, I love it.